Welcome back once again. Now, we are going to continue with the tutorials. Okay, so in our last video, we learned about how to navigate through the cloud host panel, that is the C host panel. And right now, we are going to look at how to create package. So we are not going to waste time here. I want to show you one most important feature on this platform that I want you to take it serious. But as you're working on the platform or as you're working on your website, I will not advise you to activate it. Okay. But when you are complete with everything, when you're done with everything, make sure you activate it. It's add extra security to your system or to your server. Now, you see, we have here, or you can click here, or you can just go here. That is file manager here, and you can see file system lock. Click that, and you see this. So I can just click here to lock it. Yes, so after locking it, nobody can access your files. That is your files. Okay, it's very important. It will protect your website. Even if you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, if you can do it. You have to come here and deactivate it or unlock it before you can even log into your WordPress dashboard. So it adds extra security to your platform. So it's something that I will advise you to take note. And you are not your users can also have access to this lock. So make sure you advise your users to make use, because it will help them to protect their website. Thank you. Let me first unlock it. Okay, and let's go back. So right now, let's go down here, and over here we have reseller, or you can just go down and you may even see it here. Let's go down. Okay, we have reseller manage. So that is your reseller dashboard, and you can see all your resources. Okay, good. So over here, let's go to account. There is no account. This will give you the summary of the resources that you have to use, everything. Okay, good. Let's go to, we don't have any accounts yet. Packages, we don't have any package. Now we are going to create our first package. Okay, so far so good. What will be our package name? You have to think about it and decide on the kind of package name that you're going to use. Okay, in order not to make things complicated for me, I would advise you not to use my package names. Okay, to be honest, it will help both of us. Use your own package name. Just come out with your own name, or you can just search on the internet. You can even go to other web hosting companies, then you look at some of their package name, then you can use it. Okay, or you can come out with your own package name. Okay, for instance, in this training, I'm going to use basic. So I'm talking about my package name. I'm talking about the one that I'm using it on my website or on my platform. But if you want to go with this basic, also after that, I will delete it. If you want to go with the basic, then that's cool. Okay, good. And so after that, the question is the disk space you want to allocate it to this package. Okay, so I can just go here. That is gigabyte to megabytes. Is that's I want to. That is gigabyte to megabyte. Okay, this one is cool. Then this platform, click that, or you can even use the first one. So I like using this one. The basic one, I want to use 1 gigabyte. Okay, for that package. So I will just enter 1 gigabyte, and I will see in megabytes here. You have to enter the megabyte value, not the gigabyte. So that is 1024. So I'll come here and enter 1024. Okay, and the bandwidth, I would advise you to go with unlimited. Okay, we have enough. Okay, FTP. Since this package, I will only that is to be for one website or one hosted domain. I will make it, and then subdomain will be 2. So I will make it a 3 FTP account. Email account too, I will give it 3, and then email list is unlimited. Okay, so you don't have to restrict them. Okay, and the database, since this one is 3 websites, it means that if you are going to, because we are looking at a subdomain, I will make it 2 here. So and then add-on domain. You will come to that. Okay, so first let me leave this database. You'll come to that. So pack domain, that's the main domain to the account. The main domain to the account. So always I would advise you to make the pack domain 1. Even if that package is going to have unlimited package, make sure that the pack domain is 1. And then add-on domain, that's where you want to add extra domain. Okay, so since this package will allow only one domain, okay, only one domain, and the add-on domain I'll put 0 there. It means that the person will be able to use only one domain. But if I put another value here like 2, it means that the person will get, in all, he will get 3 domains. He'll be able to add 3 domains. I'm not saying he'll get 3 domains from me, but he'll be able to add 3 extra domains to this package. But we want this one to host only one domain. So I'll make here 0. And email, that's per hour, how many domain email messages that you want people to send to their wherever they are sending it. And the limited is 200. You can just make it the same 200, or if you like, you can make it 100. Okay, and I don't use this. Okay, so I will put 0 here, and then this one too, I'll put 0 there. Then okay, so this one, for this, just leave it. Okay, but I'm not using any of these. Okay, and this one you can just leave it. Okay, you can just leave it. Okay, so let's see. And after that, since the subdomain is 2 and pack domain is 1, it means that if someone wants to install a website or add website, it will be 3 websites. Okay, it won't be more than 3 websites. So the database, I can make it exactly 3, but let's make it 5. Okay, so that the person will have extra. Okay, good. So I'm done with this one. I will go up and click save. Okay, I have to put something here, so I'll put 0 there and click save. Okay, so now it's successful. It has been added. I hope you can see that. Now I want to add another package, and that is standard. So for the standard gigs, I want to make it 2 gig and 2048. So that is 2048. And this one still unlimited FTP. This one I will make it 5, and then email account I'll make it 5. Okay, so this one is unlimited. It's okay. Database, let me make it about 10. Okay, and subdomain I'll give it that is about 4 or 5 subdomain. That make it 5 or 4. So that depends. Okay, and then pack domain is 1. And here, so I want the main domain 1, and then add-on domain to be added to this package is going to be I can make it 1, so that in all to be 3 domains. Okay, or I can make it 2, so that in all it will be in all it will be 3. If I make here 1, in all it is going to have 2 domains. So I'm going to make it like 2. And this one I'll make it 100. Here is 0. I'm not going to use it, but if you're interested, just go ahead. Okay, I will advise you to uncheck this and check it again, and check this and check it again. Okay, so that is the resources for this package. Make sure you take note of them. I will click save. Then it has been added. Now I have 3 packages. I'll pause the video and complete the 3rd package. Okay, so as you can see, I've added 3. That's basic, standard, and professional. Okay, so far so good. This part is about how to create package, and we have done that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.